Once upon a time, in a vibrant valley nestled between rolling hills and lush forests, there was a quaint little farm that was unlike any other. This farm was known far and wide for its magical charm and the extraordinary adventures that unfolded within its fences. The protagonist of our tale, the young, spirited cowboy named Jamie Starboots, whose courage and wit were as renowned as the starry boots he wore. Jamie's days were filled with the kind of adventures that most people only dream of. He had a knack for finding himself in the midst of thrilling escapades, whether it was rescuing a herd of cows from a sudden storm or uncovering hidden treasures buried beneath the old oak tree. His companions were the animals of the farm, each with their own unique personality and tale to tell. One day, as the sun rose painting the sky in hues of orange and pink, Jamie discovered a mysterious map tucked away in the barn. The map was old and worn, with cryptic symbols and a route that led to the heart of the Enchanted Forest. It was said that deep within the forest lay the legendary Golden Meadow, a place where the flowers were made of gold and the air shimmered with magic. With his trusty hat firmly on his head and his starry boots gleaming in the morning light, Jamie set out on his quest. He was joined by Bessie, the wise old cow, Clucky the brave rooster, and a mischievous pig named Puddles. Together, they braved the unknown, facing challenges and solving riddles that tested their courage and friendship. As they journeyed deeper into the forest, the path became more treacherous. They encountered talking trees that whispered secrets, a river that flowed with melodies, and a mountain that moved with the wind. But Jamie and his friends pressed on, their bond growing stronger with each step. It was here that Jamie learned the true purpose of his journey. The Golden Meadow was not just a place of wealth and beauty. It was a source of hope and inspiration for all who sought it. Jamie realized that the real treasure was the adventure itself and the friendships he had forged along the way. With hearts full of joy and memories to last a lifetime, Jamie and his companions returned to the farm, their lives forever changed by the wonders of the Golden Meadow. And so, the farm continued to be a place of magic and adventure, with Jamie Starboots at the center of it all, his starry boots leaving a trail of stardust wherever he went, and they all lived happily ever after.